Hi guys! Today I'm in a kitchen! Recently I got a really exciting toy slash tool. So I just wanted to give this a try for the first time with you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Let's do unboxing of this baby first and let's get it started. So this is what it looks like. It almost looks like a rice cooker. You can fry, you can cook rice, you can sterilize things, you can steam things, you can even bake cakes using this thing. You can make soup, spaghetti, meat, and 달걀찜, 소갈비찜, 고등어무 조림, 콩국수, you can make 콩국수, 안동찜닭, 소고기 미역국, 갈비탕, 잡채, 동파육, 수비드 스테이크, 삼계탕 치즈케이크. Crazy. Today I'm going to make chili. And I went to commissary the other day and bought some ingredients that I need. So here's the ingredients for today's recipe. First you need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which I have right there. 1 medium onion, 1 pound of ground beef, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, I know I have that somewhere, salt, pepper, tomato paste right here, beef broth or chicken broth, but I bought beef broth right here, fire roasted crushed tomatoes, kidney beans, and black beans. So these are the ingredients and let's get cooking. So it's super easy. All I need to do is just throw everything in this pot and just cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna follow this instruction. Press saute to turn on saute setting on Instantpot. So saute. Now the saute mode is on and I'm going to put olive oil. Getting hot, I think. I'm gonna add the onion and cook for 2 minutes. Woo! Until onion starts to soften. Smells good already. And then I'm going to add the ground beef. So I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes until it gets brown. Chili is one of my favorite American dishes. I used to eat it all the time when I was in high school in Missouri. The meat is getting brown. It's almost brown right now. Gonna add garlic, mix them all together. My arms is getting tired from stirring already. Okay, and then I'm going to press cancel. Need 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, 1. Oh. Okay. I put extra because I like spicy. 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. It smells like Indian food. I don't know. I'm just eyeballing everything because that's how I roll. And then 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Oregano. Ooh. Oh my. Ooh. Oh, it's not coming out. Ah. I just need a tiny bit of garlic powder. Oh. I don't have brown sugar, surprisingly. So I'm gonna use this honey powder instead. A little bit more. I need to put some beef broth and tomato paste. 14.5 ounces of beef broth. And then 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1. I'm making chili.
For what?
Just for fun.
Just for fun?
Going to stir everything in. And then put beans and tomatoes. Beans, black beans, fire roasted diced tomatoes. There's so many different kinds of cans. Okay, I added everything inside. Now, they said do not stir the tomatoes or beans in because this will help to prevent me from getting a burn warning during pressure cooking. So I'm just gonna follow what they told me to do. Now I'm going to close the lid. I don't know. So pressure cook high for 15 minutes. After that, I just need to let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. I'll be back in 25 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now, and I'm going to release any remaining pressure by pressing this button. Oh my goodness. Smells so good.
This is like the first meal ever.
That I made.
I think so.
It's good. I like how fast it took. It took only like 25 minutes.
Yeah. Quick. It's very quick. Yeah, very good.
So thank you so much for watching my very first cooking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I rarely cook, so it was a lot of fun. It was very challenging to film myself cooking, but it was fun.
Yeah.
And I think the food turned out very good, so that's good. So thank you. If you guys have any questions, please leave any comments down below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Mucho delicioso.
Bye.